Hello, Timnath neighbor. I'm your mayor, Jill Grossman-Belisle, speaking to you today from a very quiet town center. Before I share important updates about the town of Timnath and our response to the COVID-19 outbreak, I first want to say a deep felt thank you. Thank you for following the stay-at-home orders issued by Larimer County in the state of Colorado. Your actions are helping make our neighborhoods and communities safer. Thank you, too, for being good neighbors and helping one another as you are able. This is a time that shows our character, and you've demonstrated an exemplary kindness to each other. Together, we are strong, we are resilient, and we will help each other get through this difficult time. Physically apart for now, but more connected than ever. I know the past few days have been more than challenging. Many of us are feeling isolated, anxious, and worried. It seems like the world is changing every minute, and we are overwhelmed with information. Many of you have been impacted in very real ways. I share that with you. My family and I have also been impacted. There is much uncertainty for us all, but there is help, and we will find solutions together. Let me share what I've learned within the last few days. I've been virtually meeting with mayors from neighboring communities as well as regional, state, and national leaders daily to better understand how we can all work together to slow the spread of the COVID-19 virus and emerge stronger when this event is over. Information is coming very quickly, and we are working through the details as it comes. There are two parts. One, slowing the spread and flattening the curve. The town is following the recommendations to slow the spread. The federal government is recommending that we practice social distancing through April 30th. The stay-at-home order for us is currently through April 17th and may be extended. I was on a call today with the Northern Colorado mayors, and we are working to unify our voice to call for more test kits and faster testing in Northern Colorado. We are also unifying our voice to allocate more personal protective equipment and ventilators here in the area. 2, economic relief, stimulus, and recovery. Congress passed a national stimulus package, which includes financial relief for individuals, small business loans and loan forgiveness, increased unemployment benefits, relief for employers providing paid leave. While we're still sorting out the details of how this support will be administered, we're getting new information every day. Our call yesterday shed much light on the details, and more came today. We, the town of Timnath, are working hard and are committed to sharing this information with you as soon as we can. I applaud our staff for their diligent efforts in this process. I strongly encourage you to visit timnath.org to sign up for our email and text alerts, as we've been sending out information daily, and mailed information is just too slow. More than just information, the town of Timnath is also committed to continuing to provide you with the services you need and expect. We've implemented our COVID-19 response plan, thanks to our town manager and staff, and we're providing many everyday services by phone, email, or online. In these times of uncertainty, it is important for you to know Timnath is in a very strong financial position. With continuing income and reserves, we are positioned to weather the situation with stability and financial soundness. This allows us to continue with the same level of service you've come to expect. In fact, while this crisis will have financial impacts across the globe, Timnath is positioned for sustainability. And yet, we need to be smart and prudent. In speaking with other mayors only today, communities around the state, including Timnath, are reevaluating budgets and work plans to determine how to manage costs and increase in flexibility. Now let's talk about what Timnath is doing to help you, our residents, and our local businesses. The character of our community is one of generosity and kindness, and it's that commitment to one another that sparked the formation of the Timnath Foundation last year, a nonprofit created to promote the well-being of Timnath and our future. Little did we know it would serve this mission now, and it seems more important today than ever before. Our communities around us are also considering this type of organization as well to help their residents. Last week, the Timnath Foundation launched Timnath Community Cares, a program to provide support for Timnath residents and locally owned businesses in need through donations of funds or volunteer services. Not surprisingly, our community members and partners have responded immediately, In just a few short days, we've been able to raise more than $100,000, and donations continue to come in, and organize willing volunteers to support one another through these challenging times. That means we have the ability to help when people need it the most, right now. Visit timothfoundation.com to sign up to donate funds, volunteer your time, or request assistance for you, your loved one, or your business. We'll be organizing additional ways for you to connect with each other and help our community in the coming days. The Timoth Foundation will be our way of coordinating resources for our community and serve as the town's avenue to support those efforts. It will also be another source for available programs and support for all of you. Even during these challenging, unprecedented days, I feel very grateful. I'm grateful to live in such a caring community. I'm grateful for our resiliency, and I'm grateful for my neighbors, my friends, and fellow Timnathians who realize, too, this is such a special place, and we are committed to keeping it that way. We all care about this town, and it's that love for Timoth that will carry us through. Remember, be kind, help one another, and stay safe. Thank you.